Morning, guys. It is Monday, March 30th, and I just wanted to check in with you. I hope that your first week of this crazy remote learning went well. I heard from most of you, if you've noticed, grades have gone in Google Classroom. So keep up the hard work, those of you who are doing it. I know this is crazy, but just keep plugging away. It looks like we're going to be at this for a little bit longer. So yeah, I'm here for you. If you ever need me, shoot me an email. Okay. But I just wanted to touch base and let you know what this week's going to look like. This morning I posted on Classroom your next common lit assignment. It's the same thing. It's a couple questions and an extended response. And then I also posted right after that a compare contrast question that you need to complete. Both of those are due on Wednesday. So the compare contrast question compares the reading passage I just posted to the reading passage that you completed last week, the help giving passage. Okay, so make sure you read that question and do both of those assignments by Wednesday. So you have today, tomorrow, Wednesday to get those finished. Also, you get your daily check-in points just by completing the journal. Okay, so last week you did journals slide number 2, 3, and 4, I believe. So today you should be on your fourth journal. Okay, so make sure you just sometime during the day you get on and you complete one of those journals. Okay, so every single day I check that journal. I check it the next morning actually. So today's journal, which is it's journal number 4, slide number 5. I know that's confusing. But I will check that tomorrow morning and you'll get your points for logging in. Okay, so you will do 5 of those this week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, so make sure every single day you're doing the journal. And then by Wednesday, you have completed the next common lit assignment. It's about Facebook friends versus real friends or something like that. And then the other question too by Wednesday. Okay, and then Wednesday evening, I'll probably post one more assignment. We'll see. Okay. So hang in there. I hope you're doing well. Know that I'm here. If you need anything, shoot me an email. Yeah. Miss your faces. We'll see you soon. Okay.